Hello everyone, today I will try to show you how to change the color on the Solidworks. As you can see, when we choose a part and when we start, it's as a default it's white. Like, let's choose something like front plane and yeah, everything is white, right? Let's go to settings and then go to colors and you have background color over here. And it's like default it's light. So you can change it medium light so it will look like that. If you change it just medium, it will look like a gray. And if you want to make it dark color, you just have to choose this one. As you can see, it's like kinda black right now. But when we are doing this, we have one problem, right? We have to change the background color over here because we want fully. Yeah. Okay. And then when you come to here, as you can see, they are not so visible. So what we should do right now, we will go to settings one more time and then colors again. And you will just go down and then you have flyout feature manager design tree text over here. Left click to this one, edit, and choose one color, like which one would you like to see? Like let's make it gray. And then check it out. As you can see, they are visible right now. If you want me to show you this kind of stuff, please like the video and leave a comment, please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.